Cupping therapy has been blowing up these last few years thanks to Olympic athlete Michael Phelps and big name actor Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But what exactly is cupping and why is there so much hype around it? Stay tuned because we're going to answer all those questions right now. Hey, I'm Dr. Duong, physical therapist and certified cupping therapist in Northern Virginia. I've been using cupping therapy for years now because I've seen results with it and my patients love it. But what is cupping therapy? The simplest way to describe it is it's the opposite of a deep tissue massage. When you're thinking about a deep tissue massage, it uses a lot of compression and force to get into the different layers of skin, muscle, fat, myofascial tissue. But with cupping, it does the opposite. It's the only modality right now that uses decompression to separate the layers of muscle, skin, fat, myofascial tissue. And what it does is it uses suction to separate it to get the same benefits as deep tissue massage. It can help relieve muscle tension, decrease aches and pains, help with stress and anxiety, as well as improve blood circulation to the area so that it can stimulate healing. Similarly, it treats conditions such as neck and shoulder pains, carpal tunnel syndrome, IT band syndrome, bursitis, tendonitis, you name it, and cupping probably heals it. With cupping therapy, there are a lot of different styles and techniques that can be used. At East West Wellness and Rehab, we focus on 3 different types. One is silicone cups. These are great for massage cupping. And then the second one are vacuum suction cups, which are great for sustained cupping and keeping it on the body for about 5 to 15 minutes. The third one that we use is fire cupping. Fire cupping is great for massage cupping or sustained cupping, and all of the styles, techniques that are used are really dependent on the patient and the condition. Now let's get into these marks. These cupping marks are not bruises. So let's get that out of the way right now. They are not bruises. Bruises happen when capillaries are broken. We are not breaking any capillaries during cupping. What's happening is cellular debris and toxins are coming up to the surface due to areas of muscle stagnation, so poor blood flow circulation to those areas. If it were bruises, then your entire back would be bruised if we did cupping, which isn't shown. There are different colors and different marks on the body depending on areas that have more stagnation than others. So anytime someone says, "Oh, look at my bruises," correct them because they are not bruises. We're not getting breaks in the capillaries. However, because we are using a lot of pressure, and if it's your first time getting cupping done, then of course there may be some sensitivity and some soreness following your cupping session, but that's really dependent on each person and also dependent on how sensitive you are to the pressure and your pain tolerance. But again, suction can be adjusted according to what the patient needs and how much they can tolerate. But it is normal for it to feel sore or sensitive about 2 or 3 days after your cupping session. Additionally, for the marks, depending on how dark they are, it takes about a week for it to clear up. Sometimes quicker if you have more lighter marks on your body. With that, drink lots of water and it'll help clear out the marks a lot quicker. So while cupping can look super strange, look super scary and weird, it achieves the same things as your regular wellness services that you seek out with deep tissue massages and Swedish massages. So don't be afraid to try it out. Lastly, please remember, cupping therapy isn't for everyone. While I noted so many benefits and so many conditions that it can help treat, there are still certain people that we wouldn't want to do cupping therapy for. So it's important that you are contacting your healthcare provider and asking them for their medical advice before getting a session yourself. All right, folks, if you learned a little something today, go ahead and hit that like button, share this with your family and friends, and subscribe for more cupping videos coming soon. Bye!